Hello. This video is to give you a little insight on what's going on Landmark because everybody asks, and there's no words to describe it. If you need, if you want to do something for your life, you have to start with yourself. You have to get yourself and put yourself out there. No one is gonna do it for you unless you take a stand for yourself. It's like no one can eat for you, obviously, because then the other person will be eating and you'll be starving. um, we all need to take our own choices in order to change our own lives. And Landmark is not about fixing people because people is not broken. It's just have bad experiences or they deal with pain, with change, with coping, with everything differently. And that's what they make them unique. We all deal with different things in life. And Landmark helps you realize what's going on with the people around you. Because, to be honest, why you want to sometimes change people when you hardly can change yourself? The thing with Landmark is, yeah, they put you out there and destroy you because nothing can come out of peace. Obviously, out of peace, peaceful inside. Because you're not going to take action. To be honest, you're not going to take action. In order to change, there's need to be an action. Because for every action, there's reaction. It's physics. And you all think that maybe I'm wrong or that it only work for people who's dumb or like losers or whatever. We are playing games in this life. And when you die, the only thing you take with you it's the love that people give you. Oh, you give them. Money doesn't work with you. It's not gonna die for you. Your car is not gonna die for you either. People's not gonna die for you instead. So if people get at you, maybe there's a form for them to deal with pain or to lash out or because they're stressed out or whatever. Doesn't mean it has to affect you. And one of the things I'm gonna help you doing is dealing with the past so you can have a future possibilities. Because possibility is having the open space for you to do whatever you want. To have the freedom. Because even if you have all the money in the world, you always have that nagging voice inside you saying, what's next? Or what if? Or the next thing. What can I do next? Like, we all pass those situations. And it's normal. We're human beings. We are. The situation is what we are. And you cannot change anyone. If you can hardly change yourself, what will you think? What will you make you think that you can change the rest of the people? Of course not. But you have to see the things for the way they are. Meaningful or not meaningful. It's your choice. The way you take things only affects you. It does not affect the other person, obviously. Because if you're drinking the poison, hoping the other person is gonna die, it's never gonna happen. Seriously. I mean, come on. But that's up to you guys to take Landmark. It's not a imposition. It's not something that you need to take because seriously, I mean, anyone can survive life, but if you want to live life the way it means to be, living it, even if it's meaningless, I know, it's a hatch on the meaningless. You have to put the perspective on your eyes. You have expectations, and you see things the way you want to see them. Even if it doesn't mean the same for me, maybe for you has a lot of meaning, and that bothers you. But you have to realize it's only in yourself that the problem comes to occur, and that is you who make the choices, decisions, problems, fights, no fights. So it really is up to you if you want to go and discover what the world has to offer you, what the people around you can be to you, and what you can be to them. But like I said, it's up to you to take the first step because no one else is gonna push you to do it. And if they do it, well, they're good friends because you'll see that all the love that they dedicate to you sometimes it's not so obvious. That you need to understand the unique way to tell you the things that they say to you and you don't even understand. So for people who really wants to know what's Landman about, I I will say take it because you want to discover a new world, not because you think you need it. Because no one needs anything. No one needs to do anything. We only have one thing to do in life, and that's no one's gonna escape it, and it's to die. That's it. Okay, guys. Any comments, questions? Feel free to ask.